Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JDST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where this green line here is coming from, and that's also the first big update that needs to be done. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's exactly what's played out over the past couple of days here. So the price broke down below there on Monday. And then after that point, so like I said, back here represents Monday. There was the gap down. Price tried to get above it. And generally speaking, ran out of steam right around that red line. Once again, spiked up there, got above it, but then the price ultimately rolled back below it. So I'm not saying that this level right here, at the 212-ish, 213-ish area can never be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling whenever the price has gotten right up around that area over the past few days, and that going forward, if there is going to be any sort of bigger turnaround, then that all starts and ends with that 212 mark. So that'll definitely be that first key level to keep an eye on with any sort of continued movement. And I say continued movement because, to be fair and give credit where credit's due, a nice little bounce here is now officially underway. Early on in the day, it was nasty with the gap down, but the price did level off, went sideways, and then, like I said, has started to move upwards. So if this is going to continue and build more momentum, then yeah, it all boils back to that $2.12 mark. Now, a very important level of support going forward, at least in my opinion, is right here at $1.97. Reason why $1.97 is so important is if the price were to come down to that level and then just break down below it and continue on down, at that point in time, what would that be doing? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power or true strength or anything like that. So that's why, to me, $1.97 from the support side of things, very, very important going forward. But all in all, like I said, got to give credit where credit's due. A nice little bounce is underway here. So let's see if the price can build upon this momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.